What's up, guys? ThaFooGrows here. We're back with part 2 of the series. Shout out to MarsHydro for sponsoring this series, grow series, with our Tsl-2000 lamp. As you see it, some of its features it has. It uses top quality Samsung diodes to give your plants full spectrum light, perfect for all stages of growth from veg to flower, with about 300 watts of actual power draw. It's super energy efficient while still delivering strong, even light across a 2x4 area tent. It's got a reflective hood to boost light coverage, a dimmer to adjust brightness, and a daisy chain compatibility so you can link multiple lights together. Plus it runs silently with no fan, thanks to its aluminum heat sink and detachable driver, making it keep the temps down. It's also water resistant, making it tough enough for humid grows, great for tents, closets, and bigger grow tents. So shout out to MarsHydro for sponsoring today's video. This exact light will be linked in the description. Now let's get into the grow. So this one is Frostbanger, the one I trained. As you see, it's bushing up a little bit more. I accidentally, this top branch right here accidentally kind of snapped, so it's growing a little bit slower. I taped it, but it should be good. It's growing. But as you see, I'm using bud clips in there. Next is American Gangster. This one I did not train or anything. It's growing naturally. Next we got, this one's Ice Cream Cake. This is also another ice cream cake, but this one's growing faster, I'm pretty sure, because I have fan pointed at it. The wind is not reaching back here, so it's able to grow longer and bigger. Also, this one's permafrost. This is how it's looking. This is week 2, episode 2, under the MarsHydro TSL 2000 lamp. Thank you guys for the support. They're all in 3-gallon pots, if you guys are wondering. This is how they're looking up close. Let me show you. Using bud clips. This one's kind of growing bushier. This one's on its 3rd node coming in. This one's on permafrost. This is an autoflower. 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 A photo. So these are they're looking. I have it about 75% right now, using the TSL MarsHydro 2000. Link in the description. This is how the light's looking. It covers full 2x4 space. And recently I just got a bunch of new seeds. These are all regulars, but I might do another big plant show, so stay tuned for that. I've got Piff Mints Freak Show, Manic NS, Cubic Black Haze X Wilson NS, Original Haze Rainbow Belts, Straw Guava, Blunts Freak Show, and Peach Rings, Haze Peach Rings. So these are the new seeds I got in from MasonicSeeds.co. Go check them out. Like and subscribe to ThaFooGrows. We'll stay tuned to the next episode. Shout out to MarsHydro. And we're out.